Hey folks, this is Zane over at Mike's Auto Clinic. We just wanted to do a quick video for you on our referral program. Our first one here is for our rear view mirror hanger. We've got a $10 off any service referral card here that is detachable from the hanger, as well as some discounts on some services we offer on the back. First one being $35 off any fluid replacement service, brakes, power steering, transmission, cooling system flush, etc. The next one's 10% off on your next visit to come back soon, so 10% off any services that we recommended that you want to get done. Free alignment with the purchase of 2 tires or more, which is good stuff. We do tires here, for most people don't know that. The next thing we have, this gets attached to your invoice when you leave here. It's a referral card for our referral program. The first one's $10 off any service here that gets performed here. That's for the referee and whoever referred you. And it goes all the way up to $100 off a gift certificate on multiple referrals. So we got a really aggressive referral program here. We like to see you in the door. We like to see our friends and family in the door. I love repeat customers. We like building a good fan base clientele here. If you haven't yet, give us a like and a share on Facebook, and we hope to see you soon.